This is the pre-lab video for the soil texture by hydrometer. For this lab, you will need a spoon, a small beaker, a mixing cup, a mixer, a hydrometer, DI water, soil, a large cylinder, a scale, a timer, and sodium hexamonophosphate. Alright, to start off, you take your small beaker.
Show those word equations in one sample.
And you tear it.
Whether you do 5 more times,
to zero it out.
50 times.
And then you measure out 50 grams of your sifted soil, or your friend's soil, or somebody's soil. And it takes a little while.
So, as an example, if you were to do this in Excel, you would have a report that goes along with it.
That's fine.
That says, here's how I did
It doesn't have to be exactly 50, it can be approximately 50.
In Excel, you'd have that.
Alright, next you add 25 milliliters of sodium hexametaphosphate. And since that didn't completely soak all of your soil, you add DI water until it gets up to the top, or fairly up to the top. Alright, after you fill it up with DI water, you stir it around a little bit, kind of get it all mixed up and good. And then you pour it into your mixer cup, and not all of your soil will get through there, so you take your DI water squirt bottle and you get all along the edges. And it takes some skill because you don't want to make a mess. Next, after you get all your soil in there, you fill it up with DI water until it is about to the top, not like where it'll overflow. About right there is good. And then you look up what your soil was, what soil type it was. You put sand 6 minutes, loam 10 minutes, or anything else about 15 minutes. This is a loam soil, so we'll put it on the mixer for 10 minutes. If this is on. Alright, and that's how you make a chocolate shake. I'm just kidding. Oh, you don't completely take it off yet because it's got some stuff, some more soil all over it. Alright. Then take your large cylinder. You can move everything out of the way if you want. And this takes more skill than the other one did. And then you do the same thing and clean out everything on the sides and pour it in. And then you come over here to your big DI water jug and you fill it up to 1,000 or pretty close to 1,000 milliliters. And you can actually get it pretty close, and then use your squirt bottle and get it exact. Okay, next you're going to shake this, and you're going to have somebody with pretty big hands.
And then that's, I think that's a real big aha moment, because you say, oh, okay, I get that now. So
I was wondering if there's any way I could finish my calc.
You hand it in Wednesday morning,
After you get done shaking
Is
it,
that right, the 21st?
you start your timer,
That's what Blackboard said.
and you
Right
gently
before Thanksgiving.
drop this in
Okay.
Yeah, you can
slowly
hang it, you can hand it in early.
until it starts
There'll be
bobbing.
no labs next week. You could hand it in early, but I'm giving.
I'm ready.
You read it at 40 seconds. Alright, after you get your 40-second reading, you check it every 10 minutes.
And then
For an hour and a
constantly
half.
changing things on it,
And
which is how the
that is how you check your soil
But yeah.
texture by hydrometer.